Hello children, welcome again to our maths period. Today we will continue with third part of our lesson. In this period we will learn about calendar. We will understand terms like days, weeks, months, year, etc. Children, come to page number 102 of your textbook. Here is calendar of 2006. Read and study it carefully. Now come to next page. You all open calendar given on page number 102 and on the basis of that calendar we will solve these questions. Children, please keep page number 102 open in your book and keep it in front of you. Question first is, how many months does a year have? Children, starting from January till December, it results in 12 months. So, there are 12 months in a year. Next is, list the months which have 30 days. Children, look in the calendar and search for the months having 30 days. We can see that April, June, September and November. These are the 4 months having 30 days. Next is, list the month which have 31 days. Search for them again in the calendar. We can see that January, March, May, July, August, October and December are months having 31 days. Next is, how many days the month of February have? Children, in the calendar we can see that last date written is 28. So, February has 28 days in total. Next question is, how many does make a week? Children, starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, there are 7 days in a week. Next is, how many weeks are there in July? There are 4 weeks in July. Also remember that there are 4 weeks in all the months. Next question is, in which month did you come to class 3rd? Children, you know that our school started from the month of April. Next question is, make a circle on the below given dates in the calendar. That is 26 January, 14 November, 31st December. Next is there something special about these days? Yes, 26 January is our Republic Day. 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day and 31st December is the last day of the year. Next question is, fill in the blank with the correct year. First is, which year was 2 years back? Children, this year is 2020. So, 2 years back means we have to subtract 2 from 2020, which will give us answer as 2018. Next is, in which year were you in class second? Children, you were in second standard in 2019. That is 1 year back. Next is, which year will be next year? Children, as this year is 2020, next year will be 2021. And which year will come after 3 years? Children, add 3 to the present year. So, 2020 plus 3 is equal to 2023. So, after 3 years, the year will be 2023. Open page number 104. Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar on page number 102 to find the days on which these fall. Diwali was on 21st October. So, find in the calendar what was the day on 21st October 2006? Yes, it was Sunday. Next is Pongal was celebrated on 14th January. Find that what was the day on that day? Oh, that day was also Sunday. Similarly, Raksha Bandhan was on Wednesday and Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated on Monday. In this way, you guys search for the below festivals in the calendar and write on which day it occurred. Next is, arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. Students, now you very well know the series of months in the year and its sequence. So, the festivals will start from the month of January and will end with the month of December. So, if we start writing them down in the sequence by following the above chart of festivals, we see that Pongal is celebrated in January. So, Pongal will be at first number in the list. Second is the festival celebrated in the month of February, that is Guru Ravidas' birthday. So, go on writing the festivals according to their sequence as mentioned in above list. The festival at ninth number will be Guru Nanak's birthday and last will be Christmas, which is celebrated at 25th December. Next is, which festival comes in the beginning of the year? So, as we saw, now we know that Pongal is celebrated at the beginning of the year. Which festival comes at the end of the year? Children, Christmas comes at the end of the year in the month of December. Children, now come to page number 105. Here we will solve one activity which is known as calendar magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2007. Let's mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. You can see this square marked in yellow color, which is the number in center of the square. Yes, the number is 13. Join three numbers by drawing a line. Children, draw it as drawn in this figure. We can draw four such lines in this box. Next, add the three numbers on each of these lines. What do you notice? 5 plus 13 plus 21 is equal to 39. 6 plus 13 plus 20 is also equal to 39. 19 plus 13 plus 7 equals to 39. 12 plus 13 plus 14 also results in 39. Hence, this is called as calendar magic. Addition of all the numbers in the square horizontally or vertically remains equal. You can try below two activities by yourself for your homework. Children, do the activity on page number 106 on your own for homework. Now children, come to page number 107. Below is the layout of calendar given, which we have to fill according to August 2006. We have to color all Sundays in red as it's a holiday. So, let's start completing a calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. After making the calendar, just verify it once from the calendar at page number 102. Now, we will try to solve some questions based on this calendar. First is, on which day does the month end? Children, here last date is 31st August, which is falling on Thursday. So, this month end on Thursday. Write the number of days in this month. There are total 31 days in this month. Next is, what day is it on 13th August? Children, by looking in calendar, we can say that 13th August falls on Sunday. Next is, what is the date on second Saturday? Here, first Saturday is 5th and second Saturday is 12th of August. Next is, what is the day on 29th? What will be the date on the same day next week? 29th is Tuesday and date on the same day next week will be 5th of September. Next, how many Thursdays are there in this month? Children, there are total 5 Thursdays in this month. So students, in this way we have discussed thoroughly about calendar in this period. Thank you.